Hi there, and welcome to the Okey Dokey's crochet tutorial for making a magic knot. Now, a magic knot is something that's really helpful to use when you're changing colors or attaching another skein of yarn. Basically, it's just you make a knot in the yarn and it's seamless. You cut off the tails, it holds really well, so it's a great way to change colors or just attach another skein of yarn. So I will be doing this one with two different colors just so that you can see what I'm doing with each one, but again, if you're using like the same color, you're just adding a skein on, or you need to reattach the yarn for some reason, this is one way to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is, I have mine laid out like this, just it kind of helps me visualize it and go slowly through it. So the first thing that you're going to do is take the yarn that's on the bottom, so for me it's my purple yarn, and we're going to pull it up and underneath the other one, and then you're going to pull it down so it kind of goes around like so. Nothing is going through yet, this is just sitting on top. And then you're going to reach into that hole we've made, pull the yarn tail up, and then I need a little more pink on that side, so we're going to go ahead and then just tighten it right there. So now you should be able to fully like move this knot back and forth, as you can tell. So we're going to go ahead and leave it there like that. And then we'll do the other side where the pink yarn is. So on this side, we're going to bring it, over the purple yarn. And then we're going to go up. And you're not going to go through, you're going to go all the way back over the pink as well, like so. And then, just like we did on the purple, you're going to go through the pink again and tie it off like that. So now you should have this strip with two knots on either side, and you're going to grab your two ends of working yarn, and all you're going to do is pull on them, and it's going to slide those two knots together nice and tight. When you're done, all you're going to do is cut off these yarn tails. Alright, and there you have your magic knot. It's definitely really small, like super tight, it holds really well. So it's a really easy way to just attach another skein of yarn. Nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. We'll see y'all next time.